So the first thing we do on the E18 is we remove any water out of the overflow pipe. We then go to where the pump filter is and we slowly remove any water. Sometimes you can get some towels and lay it down. Normally there isn't that much in the filter unless your machine is filled up with water. If it is, we recommend you taking your time. Once you're able to get the filter cover off, what we always try and do is we then put it on a spin and drain, and we just check to see if the pump is rotating.
Checking the filter.
As you can see there that the pump is rotating, so that normally indicates that the pump is in working order. Not in all cases, but in most cases. As you can see, we've now got the machine all pulled out, and then we go to undo the back panel. It's very important that you don't lose your screws and that you keep your screws in a safe place, like we've got right here, a nice magnetic pot. Great, the back cover's off, and what we do now here is we undo the sump. Now you have to make sure you got the right tool to undo it. This stage is very important, and you need to make sure that you are twisting it and unscrewing it the correct way. And as you can see, we've undone the pump, and as you can see, there's a color catcher there. And this color catcher was causing the E18 fault. As a result, what normally tends to happen is if the machine's not draining within a certain period of time, that normally indicates a E18 error if it doesn't drain normally within 60 seconds or so. Once you've taken off the sump and you put it back on, you want to make sure it's on tightly, and then you want to make sure you're also doing a tug test to ensure that that there isn't any leakage. What we've done now is we now then filled it back up with water. Then we go and check the sump to ensure that no water is leaking. So you want to do a full cycle of it filling up, just to ensure that there isn't any water that is seeping out, because if you push your appliance back in and it leaks, you're likely to cause a flood and potentially upset your neighbors. Now this part can be quite painful to wait and watch. However, it's vital to ensure that you don't have a leak. As you can see, the machine's about to start and there is no water. And we would say that was a job well done. If you need any tips and advice or any help, feel free to visit our website or give us a call. We do cover most surrounding areas. We offer same day or next day repair services. Thank you very much for taking your time and watching our video. I hope it was of some sort of help to you with your appliance.